Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of a mouse. It happens to be the Logitech Silent M221. Now the word silent itself should give you an idea that this particular mouse is quite peculiar in the sense that it has been designed to eliminate noise as much as possible. We can see it's a wireless mouse purely by the little dongle pictured on the left hand side, and on the top we can see that it has an 18-month battery life. Obviously these are under different test conditions and you will always have different results. If when we flip this around, we can see that a lot of the information is actually hidden underneath the pricing sticker. So let's move that out of the way. And when we do that, we can see that it is mentioned to be benchmarked by QuietMark. So QuietMark is a third-party service that actually looks at products and benchmarks it for their sound pressure level. And as per QuietMark, the M221 has been rated as way silent compared to the M170, which also happens to be a Logitech mouse. And on the top they're mentioning that over 90% noise reduction has been attained with the same click feel and no click noise. Later on the bottom we see that they've mentioned that the receiver, which is the little dongle that comes with the device, is very small, that stays in your laptop. It has a 10-meter range, which is wireless range by the way, and the same battery life claim of 18 months has been mentioned again. Lastly, it's compatible with Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows RT, 7, Mac OS, Chrome OS and Linux from kernel 2.6 onwards. Now you've already gotten this open, so let's extract the mouse. Now this is a clamshell packaging, so you should always be a little careful. You can cut yourself if you're not careful. So this is the cardboard packaging, and on the inside we see a little leaflet from Logitech. It states important safety, compliance and warranty information. We'll keep this to the side, and on the inside of the packaging we also see some instructions on how you can actually switch on the mouse and start using it. So it states you should switch it to on position, then pull the tab. The tab is what disconnects the battery from the internal circuitry. Pulling the tab will let you power it on. Unhatch the device, pull the USB dongle or the receiver, insert the receiver and you're good to go. So we'll keep this to the side and get the mouse out. There you go. It's bright red in color and very compact, as you can see from the side. It's kind of small for my hand, but if you happen to opt for a claw grip, then this should be quite comfortable. So that's about it. A brief unboxing of the Logitech M221 silent mouse.